Hey guys, today we're gonna Hey guys, thank you for coming to visit Living Easy. Today we're gonna talk about keeping stuff fresh. I'm just nodding. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Today we are gonna talk about bag sealers. These little things are awesome. Thank you for visiting Living Easy. This is easy. Hey guys, today we're talking about bag sealers. This is Living Easy. Okay guys, so what I want to show you today, very quick, but very cool. So these little things are bag sealers. They're really small, they're really light, and they come in all different sizes. I even have a really big one. Oh, that's the same. And then some really small ones, okay? So these are wonderful if you need to keep something fresh and a chip clip is just not doing the trick. My little 3-year-old, if you'll watch the other video, you'll get to meet him, loves to pick up things upside down. I don't know what happens. I put them on the counter the right way and somehow it gets turned upside down in his hands. And it never fails, if I have a chip clip, that it always falls out of the corner of wherever the clip's at. Maybe I'm just not doing it right. But I found these little things and I was like, let's give those a try and see. So I wanted to show you guys just because it's another thing that I have found that makes life a little bit easier and it's just kind of cool. So as you can see, our family likes to eat all different types of nuts and almonds, pistachios, all these things. So I'm gonna bring my oldest son to show you guys how this thing works. This is Caden. Caden, say hey.
Hey.
So he knows that I cannot stand for a bag to be left open. It drives me crazy. So Caden, give them a demonstration. I'll hold this in front of you and you show them how to put it on.
Well, you get this and you kind of put it like right there. And then you kind of push it on there. Push it on there.
There you go. And then it's like 100% not going anywhere. So you got a bag. So this thing has like a little wiggly piece in the middle. So you fold your bag over, like as if you were gonna put a chip clip on it, right? But then you put the little yellow piece that's on the inside, you put it underneath the bag, and then the orange piece or whatever color goes on the top. So kind of what it does is it goes in that crease. So you kind of push it to get it on there and then hold the bag and it just pulls right across the top. Like, it's so easy. And then that's it.
It's
spill proof.
Yeah.
Because Kingston doesn't he always pick a bag up upside down. These come in bulk. They're not very expensive. And you can get all different sizes and colors. So these are on Amazon. We'll put a description in the link below. But what do we need to tell them to do?
You always have to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.
There you go. This is another thing that I wanted to show you guys today. Just to make your life a little bit easier if you have little ones. I think that sometimes they're more likely to do this because it's fun. So, thanks for visiting.
Yeah. My mom's crazy.